If you want to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you can go to the Control Center. There we go. Now over here you should be able to find the focus button, which looks like this, and you can tap on it in order to reveal all focus modes that you have on your iPhone. And at the top, most likely you will see Do Not Disturb, so you can tap on it in order to enable or disable it. You can also tap on these three dots on the right side in order to toggle it for the selected amount of time. And if the DND mode was the last one used, then most likely you have this moon icon on the focus button, so you can tap on the icon itself instead of tapping on the button in order to quickly enable and disable DND mode. You can also assign the Do Not Disturb mode for the action button. So if you go to settings and open action button, then over here you can go to focus. In here you can tap at the bottom on all focus modes and switch to Do Not Disturb. And then you can press and hold the action button in order to toggle DND mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.